Hi friends, good morning. So this is Reshma. I welcome you to discuss a very important concept of database management system, and it is a join operation. So join operation, this I already discussed in my previous session, and there I have given different types of join operations, and in today's session we'll go with a first type of join operation, that is inner join. So before that, let's see the meaning of join. So join operation can be specified as a Cartesian product followed by select. So means here, to get the result of join, first we need to apply Cartesian product, and we know how the Cartesian product work, so that also I have already discussed. So take the result of Cartesian product, and from that result, on that result apply selection condition. Then the tuples which satisfies this selection condition in the result of Cartesian product will be obtained as output for join operation. So you can say join is cross product followed by selection condition. And the types of join are inner join and outer join. So in this session I'll continue with the inner join. So now when you'll go for any join operation, it will follow some specific condition. So but in case of inner join, so whenever I will apply inner join operation on relation R and S, the result of inner join contains only the tuples that satisfies the selection condition. The matching tuples between the two relations. So means the tuples which are satisfying the condition will be appeared in the result. And the tuples which are not satisfying the condition, the tuples which are not matching will be eliminated. And sometimes we'll be having null values in the tables. Again, the null values will not come under matching tuple. They should also be eliminated. So we can say whenever we'll apply inner join operation on two relations R and S, the resultant relation will contain only those tuples which will satisfy the selection condition. So that is, as we know, join is Cartesian product plus selection condition. So in inner join, first it will apply Cartesian product, then it will apply selection condition. The tuples which satisfies this selection condition will be selected, other tuples will be eliminated. So now here, based on how to write the selection condition, based on that we have three types of inner join operations. They are equijoin, natural join and theta join. So we'll see these one by one. So if I go for inner join operation, that is equijoin operation. So in equijoin operation, the select attributes from tables will be same for all the inner join operations, but in where condition, the method of writing in inner join will be varied for each. In equijoin, so whenever inner join is applied, equijoin is a special case where the comparison operator used is always equal to symbol. Here the comparison operator is always equal. If we use equal operator as the comparison operator, such type of inner join is referred to as equijoin. So see, for example, here we want to retrieve name of the manager of each department. So let's see, can we apply here equijoin? So first, before writing the query, our first step is to identify the tables. From which table shall I extract the result? So now to retrieve name of the manager. So name of the employee, whether he is a worker or manager, will be available in employee table. So I need employee table, and the role of the employee is designated as manager in department table. So I need department table too. So here we need employee table and department table. So now let's see how to write the query using equi-join. So now we can say an employee as a manager if the SSN of employee is equal to MGR SSN available in the department. Means employee, if he behaves as a manager of some particular department, then SSN of the employee table should be also available in department table. If those two SSN and MGR SSN are equal, it means that SSN is also behaving as MGR SSN, means employee is also behaving as a manager. So here we have found that to join these two tables, I need equal operator. So we need to write equi-join operation. So now here I have employee and department table. So what it will do here, it will join SSN with MGR SSN. So first it will go for 33344 4 times 5. Is this available in SSN? First it will match with the first one. Are they equal? No. It will go for second one. Again it will check whether MGR is SSN is equal to SSN 33344 4 times 5. Yes, it is equal. That row will be selected. Then again it will check with whether SSN is unique. Once it found some value, again no need to check with the other. Then go for second MGR SSN 987. So again compare with the first row, not satisfied, reject. Second row, not satisfied. Third row, not matching. Fourth row, not matching. So it matches with the last tuple, last row. So MGR SSN 888 is equal to SSN 888. So see here equal operator, equi-join. That row will be selected. Similarly, if I go for 987, it matches with the last but one. So like this, each and every MGR SSN will be compared with all tuples of employee SSN. Only matching tuples will be kept, unmatching tuples will be rejected. So this is the working of equi-join. We'll see the result. How to write the query now. So here query will be written department table, join operator, employee table. So we are joining department and employee table with joining operator, join symbol. What is the comparison operator? Equal. So MGR SSN equal to SSN. Then only the matching tuples will be selected from these two. How many matching tuples? Only 3 tuples. So 3 matching tuples are selected. Remaining tuples will be eliminated. How many remaining tuples? Because we know join is Cartesian product plus selection condition. First it will apply join Cartesian product. How many tuples will get after Cartesian product? Number of tuples in employee multiplied by number of tuples in department. That is 8 tuples in employee, 3 tuples in department. 8 into 3, 24 tuples. Among 24 tuples, 3 tuples are selected. Remaining 21 tuples are eliminated in the result. So this is department manager we obtained after applying equi-join. So now assume that I want to display only the department name and the manager as they have specified. So again we'll apply projection operation, display department name and name of the manager. So here department MGR is the intermediate resultant table. From the intermediate table again we have applied projection and getting the new resultant table which contains only these 3 columns. So this is how equi-join works. So then next is the natural join. So this natural join is very important operation in inner join. This is very critical, very important. While applying natural join, the user should be or the owner or the person or the DBA, whoever is writing the code, designing the database, they should be very careful. So because of this natural join, so if you will not consider, if you will not care, take more conscious, or you will not take care about the creation of the tables and attribute names, the natural join, it will leads to inefficient design of the database. We'll use natural join concept for one of the best design guideline so that we can get efficient database. So we'll see what is this natural join, why it is so important. So here symbol use this asterisk symbol, and so natural join, whenever we want to apply natural join, it requires two join attributes, that is a pair of join attributes which should have same name in the both the relations. Means if I want to apply natural join on employee and department table, then employee and department table should contain a pair of attribute names with similar properties, like they should have same spelling also for the attribute name. They should have two attribute with the similar name. Spelling also should be same. For example, if I take dean department number, if in the employee table if it is DNUM, in employee table also it should be DNUM department number. Then if in employee table if I have used DNUMBER, other table should also contain DNUMBER. If I have used DNO in employee table, in department table also it should be DNO. So whenever we are applying join, natural join, the two tables should have same name in both the relations. So sometimes assume that I want to apply natural join on two tables, but those two tables, they are not having same name. In both tables I have department number, but in employee table I have used DNO. In department table we have used DNUMBER. Then natural join, it will not treat those two columns as identical. It will identify the tables attribute names identical if they are having same spelling. So what we need to do, we need to rename the attributes. So let's see one example to apply natural join on employee and department. So in employee, assume that this is the table and department table. So natural join, automatically it will search for the identical column name. So here which column is identical? Yes, dnum. So dnum column is identical. So now automatically it will join these two tables by taking dnum as joining attribute. No need to specify explicitly as dnum equal to dnum. Automatically it will perform. Just if I write natural join symbol asterisk, it will join employee and department by considering DNUM as joining attribute. So again the result is it will compare 1 and 1. Again here which comparison operator will be used? Naturally it will make use of equal. It will equalize the num of one table with another table. So compare 1 and 1. 1 and 1 is equal S. So this tuple will be selected. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 research. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be selected. Again it will compare with others. It is not matching. Then it will take 2. Again compare with the 2. There are 2 matching tuples here. So now the result will contain 3 columns from here and 3 columns from here. But sometimes for the natural join, because we are having DNUM identical column names in both the tables, instead of 2 times it will display DNUM only one. Joining attribute will be displayed only once. So now we'll take one more example to join natural join department and department location. So which column is identical here? So D name. Then I have MGR SSN. Then I have D number also. So if you are having more than one attribute with identical name, then it will join with primary key or foreign key. Then if you take project and department table which I want to join, if I say see these two tables, first it will search for the common attribute name. So which attribute is similar here? P name, P number. So if I search, so we are not finding any two columns with identical name. So but I have here column with identical property, that is DNum is the department number. D number also indicate department number. So but here spelling is different. In such cases what we should do, we need to rename the attribute. Rename either DNum to D number or D number to dnum. So using rename operator. So this is the rename operator. We have renamed attributes of department table. So D number is replaced by DNUM, and we have not touched other attributes. Just D number, which I want to use as joining attribute, is renamed by D number to dnum. If I apply joining operation now, it will join these two tables by considering dnum as joining attribute, and this is the result. Again here natural join means equalizing. Compare 5 with all these. There are 3 tuples which are matching department number 5. So product X, product Y, product Z, department belongs to department number 5, it is displayed. Then D number 4 is available twice. So which are those computerized and new benefits, it will be displayed. Again department number 1 matching with dnum of project 1, so that is reorganization. This tuple will be displayed. So this is how the natural join will join two tables based on identical joining attribute. If it is not finding identical join attribute, it will, we need to rename and should be given that as the input. And we need to remember one point here: keep only those attribute names as identical which are either primary key or foreign keys. Then see, once again, while writing the queries, we know it can be inline expressions or nested. For nested, we can take intermediate result, and that result will be given as input, or we can write single line inline relational algebra expressions too. Then third type of inner join operation is theta join. So in theta join compared to equijoin, so here this is the general case. Any general case comes under theta join, where it allows all type of comparison operators. Not only equal, it allows not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. All mathematical comparison operators can be used here. So using this, we can merge two tables, same as our other joining operations, but the symbol here used is the theta. So this is a general case because it allows all type of operators. So the next one is n-way join. So till now we have studied use joining operator to join only two tables together. If you want to join 3 tables, if the result is available in 3 tables, I want to join all those. So what we can do, join 2 tables, get the result can be joined with the next table. Again result of those can be joined with the next table. So like this, result of 2 joined tables can be used as input for joining the next table. So like this, we can extract the data which is available stored in multiple tables, multiple relations in a relational algebra, in a relational database using relational algebra expression using inner join operations. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts in inner join, please post your questions in the comment box. And in my next session, I'm going to discuss with you about outer join operations. To get the videos on outer join, if you are subscribed, okay, or else please subscribe and click on bell button to get the notifications. Thank you.